Bhai, did you watch the match last night? It was so good. Hi guys, welcome back to Tax Q&A. Today I'll be answering questions on our grand cricketing carnival, the IPL. Let's go. Oh, this is what we are starting with? Well, I think the fans will be the better ones to answer this. But I really hope they win this year. Yes, one of the first things that comes to our mind when we talk about IPL, the money. It's no secret that IPL brings the big bucks as it is one of the biggest cricketing leagues in the world with a valuation of over $10 billion. Now, because BCCI is the governing body for IPL, they get a share in the IPL's earnings. The major chunk comes from media rights and central sponsorships where the revenue is split 50-50 between the BCCI and the IPL teams. On top of this, each franchise needs to pay an annual fee to BCCI, which will be 20% of their overall revenue, and also share a percentage of their earnings from the ticket sales. Oh, and let's not forget the windfall from auctioning off new teams, like we saw in the case of LSG and GT franchise in 2021. Zero, zilch, nada. This is because BCCI has registered itself as a charitable trust, and according to them, IPL is a way of promoting sports in the country. Hence, in 2021, the Income Tax Tribunal granted them an exemption as long as IPL profits are used for BCCI's objective of promoting cricket. Yes, the rise of fantasy gaming. Apps like Dream11, MPL and My11Circle have become household names, especially during the IPL season. So much that Dream11 was even the title sponsor of the 2020 IPL. This is why people bid real money to participate and win in the contests that are organized by platforms. Now, according to them, it is a game of skill and not chance, where people have to apply knowledge to win, and hence, it is a legit business in India and not gambling. Your winnings from Dream11 or any kind of online gamings for that matter would be taxed at flat 30%. And the company is liable to deduct this in the form of TDS whenever you withdraw any of your winning amounts. There are both Indian and overseas players in the IPL. Now, in the case of Indian players, a TDS of 10%, and for foreign players, a TDS of 20% is applicable on auction money, match fees, and even the match awards that they win. Later on, this income is added to their other incomes for the financial year, and tax is payable on the slab rate along with surcharge because the amounts are in crores. Last year, from 1st October 2023, a GST of 28% was imposed on online gaming platforms. There was an 18% GST earlier as well that was applicable to the revenue that the company would generate. But after the new rule, the 28% GST was applicable on the entire pool money. This would essentially mean that you are shelling out 128 rupees to play a contest of 100 rupees. However, to reduce the impact of this rule on the users, companies like Dream11 have started offering discount points equivalent to the GST amount. This way, you can use the entire deposit amount to enter the contest. Well, I hope definitely not. But this was definitely the last question, and that concludes today's Tax Q&A video. And if Google search is too much work for you, Quora is full of opinions, then you should check out Tax Q&A, where you can toss your questions and our tax experts will give you quality answers and share their insights. If you have any other questions about taxes on fantasy gaming or have opinions you'd like to share, you can visit our Tax Q&A thread. The link is in the description. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on what's coming next. Catch you in the next one. चाय चाहिए किसी को? नहीं, किसी को नहीं। One second. Shut up, yaar.